Hi guys, welcome to this quick review and comparison about these two LinkTapo home security Wi-Fi cameras with high resolution. So here we have both options side by side. This is the more simple version, but very lightweight, very flexible. As you can see, you can put it in all kind of directions. Very simple. It has also mount here, simple mount here in the back, comes also with these screws here. On the other side we have a little bit more sophisticated camera here. This is a PTZ pan, tilt and zoom camera, so you can see this is rotatable here, and here also movable up and down. And also we have a little bit more advanced mounting plate which we can put on a wall and then just add the camera. But both can be put also on the ground. Both of them come with a very convenient, very long power adapter cable and the free app. You can do the scanning here in the instructions manual and then install it directly from the App Store. And you can see also the good ratings, very promising. So you are going to install, connect it, and then I'm comparing a little bit the functions. Both of the cameras come without storage card, so you have the free choice to add whatever you want. It's highly recommended to use a good quality like Samsung Class 10 or so, and then we just push it here on the right side. You can see easily releasable as well if you need. And similar thing also with this PTZ camera, we just push it up here a little bit and then we have access to this micro SD card slot. By the way, the pins go to the downside and then we push it inside and then it's locked. And then we plug in the camera so they are ready to connect, and same thing with this one here as well. So after registering the app we can click here on the plus and then we have to select the right camera. This is the C110, this is the C210. So let's go with the left side. And then it looks like it's automatically connecting to this camera. Click on connect. Now choose the Wi-Fi network. Then here we specify the router password. Click on next.
Wi-Fi connected.
Okay, that was super easy. Of course you have also the option to subscribe to a cloud service. We are not going to do that here. We are using local storage. The good thing, it has even the possibility to connect to Alexa or Google Assistant. And now let's do it with the PTZ camera, also the plus, and we selected 210.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
And so in this case it was even easier because I had already specified the Wi-Fi password of the router. What's really important to do at the beginning, we go to the settings and then format the microSD cards here inside so they fit perfectly to these cameras. And then we activate also the loop recording, which means it will record everything, not only when it detects some motion, but really everything 24/7. And as you can see, we have a lot of different options here, not going into detail, but you can see about what we can set. And so I have full access here on the app to both of the cameras, and they are pretty much same functions or very similar functions. The only special feature here with the PTZ camera, of course, we have this pan, tilt and zoom, and this is really interesting and it works really fast. As you can see, very smoothly we can move around here to this side and also to this side, and of course up and down. And we have even some really special features like a vertical cruise where it goes up and down and comes back after that into exactly same position, and also horizontal cruise left, right and coming back. And we have even the possibility to mark some special positions. If you like a position, if you want to monitor something, you can mark this and save this. And we can make pictures directly from here, and we can start video recording also directly from here. We can listen to what's going on here, then talk to somebody with just holding this button here, super easy, and then make a full voice call where we can talk to somebody. So this is almost like a phone call. When you're not at home, you can talk to somebody, you can listen here. So I stopped this, otherwise it would create back coupling. You can even activate privacy mode if you want to use a room for yourself, turn on and off the alarm. And then of course we can go to Playback and Memory. So here we can see all the motion detection which it has been capturing, really nice. get even the overview on the timeline, and you can even zoom in and zoom out. This is very easy then to find something, go to specific location, works really fast. And of course we can also go to full screen, and then we see how good the resolution really is. You can even zoom in and see all the details. This is really amazing. This is a really good quality footage. So of course most of the advantages regarding features are on this side with the PTZ camera, but there's also a big advantage here with the normal camera, and that's the field of view. I have them here side by side in the exact same distance to this box. And so let's click here first on the PTZ camera, and so you can see that it doesn't show the whole box and just a little bit more here on the right side. And when we go to this camera here, you can see that you have a much wider view. It shows the whole box and even a little bit more here on this side. So we have a much wider viewing angle, but the quality is still very good. We can also zoom in here and see a lot of details. And to show you this in another way, I have put this 90 degrees angle of this box right in front of the camera, and so you can see that it covers exactly about this 90 degrees angle of this whole box. And when we do the same test with this camera, you can see there's quite some view on the left and also on the right side. So the viewing angle is much more than 90 degrees. So you can easily cover a whole room just when you have this thing in a corner. And both of the cameras come also with night vision infrared support. So when we put this thing in total darkness, you can see, first thing, it has detected motion. And second thing, we can easily read what's inside here in the box. That's absolutely crazy. I mean, it's totally dark inside, but you can read the label inside of the box. And also motion detection works really good. When I hold my hand in front of the camera, it detects motion almost instantly. And I got even notification here on my smartwatch that it has detected some motion. Really nice. I would say both of the cameras are really good, solid implementation. They are really fast. They have already a lot of good options in the free version with the microSD card storage. But of course you can increase the functions a lot with a subscription. Quality is good. Both of them are really fast. They cover really everything what I need, so I can give you full recommendation. So I'll put down the links of both of them down into the description so you can check them out and order the one you like more for you. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.